guys, so another interior upgrade piece came in today. Continuing with the addition of more Suede. I just received a Suede armrest, the GM's Performance one. Should be pretty straightforward. It's just 5 screws and whatever these other 2 pieces, I'm not really sure exactly what they are for. I guess we'll find out as soon as I take the stock one off. All right, let's go ahead and install it. All right, so we got a hex bit and an extension. Let's go ahead and unscrew this stuff. All right, so that's off. Let's see if we can just, oh, there we go. Pops right out. All right, so just looking at this, the only thing that you have to remove from here is the little clip that goes inside of this area. That's it. All right, let me take this thing out and put it in the new one. All right, so just grab a small screwdriver, pop this thing out. All right, the clip is out. Grab the new armrest, push it right in. Okay, let's place it down. All right. 5 screws going right back inside. And just put a little bit of pressure on the back part because it just wants to keep popping out. Okay. Now remember, this thing inside is plastic, so make sure you don't torque it too much, not to break the thread. All right, here it is, Alcantara armrest. All right, feels great. Matches the rest of the Suede interior. The door trims, the knee pads, and an armrest. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Armrest feels great. I think it looks really nice. It adds a little extra something to the interior. The stock one felt a little plasticky, so this kind of solves that problem. All right, stay tuned for the next video.